Welcome to Seagull East Coast Awaji, and you can book your stay easily by scanning the QR code appearing on the screen or by checking the description below. Seagull East Coast Awaji offers a tranquil escape on the beautiful coast of Kobe, Japan. This 3-star hotel is perfect for travelers looking for relaxation and stunning ocean views. Check-in starts at a leisurely 4 p.m., giving you plenty of time to settle in and enjoy the surroundings. You can sleep in a bit too, with a checkout time of 12 p.m. Families are especially welcome here. Children age 0 to 1 stay free, making it easier to enjoy a memorable family vacation. We focus on providing a comfortable and hospitable experience for all our guests, whether you're planning a romantic getaway or a family adventure. You'll find free Wi-Fi in all rooms, so you can easily stay connected. Free parking is available for guests. There's also a desk or workspace if you need to catch up on work. Ready to experience the beauty of Kobe? Don't forget to book your stay at Seagull East Coast Awaji by scanning the QR code now.